Right, we're launching the bag. Now we are in the Dutch Slough, Oakdale, and we put in the bag down there, and 3 pumps going, 2 in one side, 1 in other side, closer to me, and everybody's gonna put their own pump too down there. There is no perfect spot, but it's gonna work anyway. Our pump is down there that we borrowed them. And they have a good filter going, a big hard shell filter for the intake. While a little bit to really go to the other end of the bank, and it's doing good. We set it up nicely. Now we are pumping it. We're gonna go other side to set up the other AquaDam. So the AquaDam is there, 12-footer. We measured it from the very high tide. It's almost now is 4 feet or 3 or 4 feet high. After 5 minutes, we're gonna turn everything off and double check if everything is good. Footer in the place. You can see it's working good, sealed good. After we put the dams down, they are dewatering. They are dewatering right there. From this end to the other side. You can see the pumps going. We manhandled it.
See how easy it went after I did it? You start fishing. Teamwork.
So we cannot roll it by hand. It was good. It was steep, and we launched it in a nice place. Second AquaDam we installed today. So we tie it down to pull it up a little even more from the bottom seam. And it's moving uphill nicely. We measured it, it was 92 feet across. So we untie this corner, the other corner has to go a little more, pull in a little more. so being drained a lot. The water was 9 foot, 8-9 foot in deep spot. Some places 6 foot or 5 foot, it depends. But it's dry. It's working so good. So that's the dry side here, and this is where the water is. So yeah, they've been working a lot, and there's the machinery end of the day for them. They make a road for themselves to go down the channel. And this is the other side toward the Ferris Dam.